So if you have ever used Printify before, you will know that they for some reason don't allow you to bulk upload. So I'm going to show you the solution I use, which not only does the bulk upload but much more, which I'm going to show you in this video. First of all, you are going to upload your images. Let's drag and drop them over here. Okay, now these don't have any title, description or text, so let's select them and let the AI generate the SEO for us, which is optimized for Etsy. And as we can see here, it is done. We have the 13 tags, title and description. Let's now upload them to Printify, and you are going to have to set up your Printify account, click connect, hit the link which will redirect you to your Printify account. Then we are going to generate a new token. Let's name it PaloTagz token, full access, generate token. You are going to want to copy this to clipboard and head back over to PaloTagz and paste it in here. Select your shop, save, and your Printify shop is configured. Okay, now you can go over the product, provider, design and pricing step individually, or you can just import a Printify product. I'm going to show you the step-by-step approach first. Okay, so the first step is choosing our product. You can also choose a hoodie or whatever you want to sell. Then the print provider, I would actually always do Printify choice because that one picks the best and cheapest provider. Then you can select the colors. I'm going to do, for example, black. And then you can set your pricing on the pricing page, which is pretty straightforward. You are going to see your estimated profit. You can price each color individually however you want. But let's continue. Before we do this step, I'm going to show you the much easier way, which is just using a Printify product. You just copy a listing which you already configured with all the pricing you want, with all the shipping methods and product types, and just copy the URL of your listing, go back to PaloTagz. In step 1, import a Printify product, paste the link in here, and we can now use this as a template for our future listings. Save and use, and we are immediately redirected to the last step. Here we can change the placement of our images, also decrease the size, or if you use multiple print areas, you can use, for example, the one on the back, but I'm just going to use the default version. Then you can directly publish them to Etsy. If you have Etsy configured in your Printify account, also publish them as a draft or schedule your listings later, but I'm going to publish them to Etsy right now. You can also upload a second design. Maybe you want to add a logo on the chest or bag, whatever you desire. And the light dark artwork is when you have, for example, a white text design and you have a white t-shirt. It's not going to show because there's no contrast. So you could technically go over to the white and upload an alternative design, maybe black text on your white t-shirt then, but it's not the case for our upload right now. And you can save this as a template. But because we imported the product template from Printify, we don't actually need to save this as a template, and just hit upload. Okay, the products are now in Printify and also on Etsy, but as you can see here, the markups look pretty bad, and also uploading the markups to Printify is very time consuming because you also have to upload them for each one individually, which is why I'm also going to show you the Etsy store integration. Connect your Etsy shop, and once you are connected, the 4 new listings are shown right here. I have prepared my markups beforehand. I can easily drag and drop my markups over to the listings and save myself another half an hour maybe. And because we do not want those default Printify markups, we are going to delete these ones and also upload a size chart, which is going to be applied to every of the 4 listings. So again, just another time saver. And if you want, you can also apply shop sections and also link your variants to your designs. For example, if your customer on Etsy is picking the white t-shirt, the image of the white t-shirt will appear, and it's just a better user experience. So no need to go into each listing individually on Etsy and assigning each variant to each listing, which again is very time consuming. Yeah, that's pretty much my normal workflow. You can also go over to the Pinterest pins page, connect your Pinterest account. I already did this. Select the new listings and create your pins, which you can also schedule, but I'm going to publish them right now. And this way you might get more traffic coming from Pinterest and visiting your Etsy shop. And since all these features are present in the PaloTagz subscription, which is just $10, I'm going to give you a quick run through of the other features, and maybe you will find some of them useful. So in the shop analyzer, simply enter any shop you want on Etsy, and it's going to show you the sales data of that shop, the top performing tags, so you might want to copy them, and the top performing listings. In the saved listings tab, you can see all of the listings you saved using the Chrome extension, which basically shows the sales data underneath each. And if you are logged into the Chrome extension, you can go ahead and save maybe the best performing listings you want to have a look at, and you can see them right here in the saved listings tab. On the design studio, you can go ahead and create new listings if you want, and you can also apply some themes which might be selling good on Etsy right now. And in the mockup studio, you can create your mockups. Just select your designs, and there are some starter templates, but I would recommend you to just create your own markups and then just upload them. Select all, and we can easily create our markups right here, download it, and again upload to the Etsy store. I actually created this website myself, which is just $10 a month, which you can easily get by just making one sale. And if you upload maybe 100 new listings, I think one sale is actually pretty reasonable. And also, I don't have any exams right now, so if you are an Etsy seller and are in search for some new features maybe which you haven't found, you can just email me or go over to my contact page and send me a message, and I will have a look and try to build your feature as fast as possible. I usually respond very quickly. So if you think this will save some time for you, or you just want to try it out, you can do that for 7 days for completely free, and maybe it's useful to some people out there. But again, do what you want. It helped me save so much time, so maybe it can save some time for you guys too. I will leave a link in the description below. Have a nice day.